Oh, this is a wild story. Literally, a pest control technician here in the Valley went above and beyond on the job to help rescue an animal in need.
Fox 10 Stephanie Bennett joins us live now with the details on what happened. It was a regular day, or it started as such for this guy, and then it turned into something completely different.
Yeah, that's exactly right. It was a typical day for Steven Gonzalez until he heard some splashing coming from a nearby pool, and he noticed a hawk was in there. He quickly dropped everything, jumped into action to rescue it, and it was all caught on camera. Take a look.
I see this hawk, and it's gripping like something in a pool, like a drain or something, and it's just like holding itself up. So I was like, okay, what am I gonna do?
Truly Nolen Pest Control Technician Steven Gonzalez is now being hailed a hawk hero after rescuing this drowning bird from a client's pool. He was completing a customer's routine pest control service at the time, and a trainee caught it all on camera.
So it lets me grab it by the legs, and I end up lifting it on my shoulder, and it kind of flaps its wings a little bit and just rests there.
And the hawk seemed to be very grateful. Gonzalez says she was very calm and even perched on his arm for quite a while until he set it on the ground to dry off. He says her wings were heavy from being soaked.
It just chilled there with me. It didn't want to leave my side. It just stayed right next to me.
Gonzalez called a Cave Creek nonprofit called Wild at Heart that rescues birds. They're looking after her until she is strong enough to be released back into the wild. Gonzalez says he gets daily updates and hopes to be there when she's released. He's even signed up to volunteer with the organization and help future rescues.
I've always been, fascinated with, birds of prey and stuff and animals, and I like to volunteer and do things and help not only people in pest control but animals as well.
The organization is also allowing him to name the bird.
I named her Lucena after my daughter.
Yeah, and this isn't the first time either. He's also rescued an owl before. I mean, he clearly loves animals and has a knack for it. Guys.